video, I'm going to show you how to check if your email account has been compromised or not. So to do so, let's go to this website, google.com, hit enter. Now type the name of the website. Just stay out. Okay, let's type the name of the website. Hit enter, then I follow this first link. So you can see this is the the interface of the website. They have a lot of functionalities that they are providing or services. They can even provide an API. You can scan your password. You can subscribe for notification. Subscribing for notification is a service that they are providing. You put your email, you subscribe with your email. Every time there is data breaches, new data breaches, they will scan your email account to see if it is part of the data breach. If yes, they will send you a notification which will help you to take further actions like security, implementing security, or hardening your system, your security, or to change your password and put a strong password. So you can also do domain search, but this we are going to talk about it later. So first, today our focus is on the email account or email address checking. So we check, you see they say check if your email address is in a data breach. So I will just go forward and put an email account here. I'm going to show you two kind of results that we are getting from this website. The first one is when the email account is in a data breach. The second is when it is not in data breach or it is not compromised. So let's go. I'm not going to use, for the demonstration purpose, I'm not going to use my own email account. I'm going to use a random or an example of email account. So if you are doing this from your site, you have to use your own email address to check the security of your email address. So let's go. I put abc@gmail.com, and then this is an example of email account. Just remember the name of the website, you see. Then this is the email account that I want to check. So I just come here, I can just hit enter. It will start analyzing or scanning the email account, the email address. Or I just come and click on this one, click on it. So we'll get the results soon. Yeah. So if we just scroll a little bit down, you will see the result of our scanning, and then they say, oh no, that means that, and you can even see this red color of the interface, the red color part. It means that there is something that is not going well, or something going wrong or dangerous. So you will see here, if you read this line, you see they say the email is part of 429 data breaches, and 28 times this email account has been copy and paste. So each time that you copy your email and paste, it is also counting. So, and this thing is not a good practice. I'm going to make another video talking about this, how to type your email account, your email address and your password when you are trying to log on to a website. it is not good. It's not a good practice to copy and paste a email account or password or something like that. So if we go down, 3 steps to better security. So let's go down. You see here they are providing 3 steps. They say first step, protect yourself using one password to generate and save strong password for each website. The second step, they say enable 2-factor authentication and store the code inside your password account. Once again, I'm going to make another video talking about 2-factor authentication mechanism, and I'm going to show an example of how to implement it for the security of your account, whether it is your email account or your Facebook account or your Instagram account or any kind of account that you are using. The third step is talking about subscription for notification. This is a service that they are providing. This website is providing. So you subscribe to their service by putting your email account, and then later on, if there is or every time there is a new data breach, they'll scan your account and check if your email is part of the data that has been breached or the breach data. So if yes, they will send you an email for notification saying that your email has been found in data breach, and so you have to take security. You have to strengthen or change your password for your safety. So let's go and check another the second one that I was talking about, the second type of result that we're getting, which is when your email is safe, your email account is or email address is not found in data breaches. Okay, I'm just going to make a little bit changes. As I said that I don't want to use my own email account for some kind of security purposes, so I just put this one. I just add some random characters or letters. Okay, I just put this, and then I have this. The reason why we have this, the first email address, the ABC one was given, is that most of the time people use this email account when they're performing some kind of registration, temporary registration online. For some example purposes, they are using this. That's why we were able to find that this email account is part of data breaches. So this one, we're going to get a different result from the first one. So let's go and type enter or just click on this one. Okay, so you will see here down a little bit, you will find that this is the email account that we scan, and then this part is the result where we are getting the result. They say good news, no Pwned found. So you will see that they say no breach account, no paste, and they are providing the 3 steps to strengthen your security. And so guys, as I said before, I'm going to make another video to show you how to scan your password and so on. Another video will come on the domain search, which consists of scanning the domain name of like the emails, and if I take an example of a company that has their own email server, they are providing the emails to their let's say their employees. They can just put the domain name and scan for the emails of the whole company. Then they'll find those emails that are part of the breach or not. So that was the video of today. Please guys, support me by subscribing to my channel, liking the videos, and share the content with your friends